Hey you guys, thank you for tuning in for my unboxing and review of the Naked Heart Tarot. I just got this deck in yesterday and it's just amazing energy. Like this for a person that's really into tarot, like you've been reading for a good while, because the symbolism and different things on the card is very different and not really traditional. So it's a different type of style you have to learn. But you know, if you love astrology, tarot, you'll love this deck. That's why I got it. It comes with this layout, grid layout, put your crystals on, you pick a card, try to get it in the frame. Okay, it comes with this. Take it up here, take it over there. Beautiful box, the elements, the wolves, and it's by Jillian G. Wilde. Put that right there. And here is again the elements again. Wands, cup or wands, fire. Cups, water. Swords, air. Pentacles, earth. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Next thing, yeah, make your heart. Tarot, love the feel. Very like a matte finishing, very beautiful. Give you a quick preview of the guidebook. And remember, y'all, make sure you like, subscribe, and share my channel. Remember, what you got in the universe always comes back to you. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at said_God's wisdom. Okay, give you just a quick look into what you know, can be expecting when you are getting, see, this tarot deck. Okay. See a good breakdown. Like this feel like it's a good book. Very informative. Okay. And this is the books. Hand size. Okay. Set that right there. Okay. Same things on the inside. Okay. This is the back of it. You deal with a lot of animals. Animals very heavy, astrology heavy. Like it's these cards are for like a different type of reader. Like you have to really be like love symbolism and love astrology. That's why I had to get this deck, because I was like, I love all this. And then the moon symbol, I love the moon symbol. Okay, so we're gonna, and then the heart. Okay, let's see what we can. Okay, the Naked Heart Tarot. This deck has been created and set with the intention of providing healing energy, clarity, guidance, and truth. Each card provides sight into the naked heart, where ego is extinguished and purity of light flows within you. I'm glad we found each other. Much love. Jillian Wilde. Beautiful, y'all. Love the energy. Love, love, love. It's giving me a very mystic, dark energy, like a dark goddess energy, like a Kali, like a Lilith, like a Hecate energy. Very serious. Like I'm picking up, it's like it's for serious type people, serious type energy like that. It doesn't like take tarot as a joke or a game or just like as a hobby. Like these cards give like a very heavy energy, a very seriousness energy to them. Okay. Like I said, I love this finish. It's like a matte. It's less silky, but a matte finish. Okay, and this is the Spirit of Pentacles. Now these are new. I haven't had a chance to shuffle them. They are in their original format. Like I say, they go off on the traditional deck I saw online. So it's like how we have. Oh, I love this feeling. This thickness. Okay. First card up, we have the Fool, Unicorn, Zero. Oh, I love it. Next, we have the Magician. Okay. Then we have the High Priestess, the Owl, always watching. Then we have the Earth Mother, which is the Empress in the traditional deck. Then we have the Sky Father, the Emperor, in the traditional deck. Beautiful cards. And just look at all the simple but deep symmetry. The Sage. This is the Hierophant in the traditional deck. Oh, I love this. The Lovers, Equals. And I'm noticing already a pattern like the cards deal with watching. Like a lot of these animals and the symbolism deal with watching from above. That's why I'm getting a serious energy from them. The Chariot, very serious energy. Strength, the Leo card. The Hermit, the Virgo card. Interesting symbolisms. Slow moving. And all of the watches. And I guess it's a correlation back to the two. The High Priestess card. Wheel of Fortune. All the elements. The fixed signs of the zodiac. Jupiter card. Okay. Justice, the Libra card. Still, I see the Libra sign still is beautiful. Then we have the Hangman, Neptune card. Interesting. There's a bat representing Neptune. Okay, and we have Death, Scorpio card. Interesting. Transformation. Flower. I can't wait to look up what flower that is. They have represented in the phases of life. The moon. It's beautiful. Oh, I love it. Simple, unique, but intriguing. It makes you think. Like a very high mind type of energy. Very ninth house energy. Ninth house, looking at Sagittarius, ruling ninth house. Temperance. This is Archangel Michael card. Beautiful. Then we have the Devil, Capricorn. Skull and bones. And Capricorn rules the bones. Interesting. Use the bones for that. Beautiful. Then the Tower, Mars. No, Pluto card. Pluto card. Destruction that leads to awakening, that leads to a new start. Beautiful. Then we have the Star. Where are you headed? Guided. Protected. Okay. Then we have the Moon. Wolf. Interesting. The Lunatics. Luna. Beautiful. The Moon. Okay. Then we have the Sun. The Beetle. Scarab. Yes. Okay. Then we have Judgment. And by now you should have a feel of them. Like, these cards are very unique, simple, intriguing, heavy, intense. Like a whole lot of serious words. Very serious. Very, like I said, high mind thinking. We have the Naked Heart. I'm guessing this is just the extra one. Like I'm noticing like a lot of new decks have like a 22 card to throw in there that deals with the significance of the overall deck. Because my New Orleans Voodoo have a 22 card and another, I think the Lycius Tarot has a 22 card too. It's very interesting. And then we have the Ace of Wands. Interesting. And Two of Wands. Like I said, I'm just giving you a preview. I'm not going to go too deep into them. But you should get a feel right by now what you want, if you want them or you don't. But they're very intense. Very intense. Simple but intense. That's what I like about them. It's simple but intense. I had to get these. Okay, now I'm going to shuffle right quick. So I don't want to go over 10 minutes. Because by now you should know all real good tarots, psychics, mediums, be able to read cards easily and pick up on the energy if they want them or not. Like the feel of them, y'all. Like this may last you. Maybe because it's not, I can say it doesn't feel like it's laminated. So it's like, I'm saying this might last you maybe a good 2 years, maybe 3, but it's a thickness to it. It's a thickness to it. Like it's real solid, like very heavy. Oh wow, okay. 10 of Cups. It fell out. Okay, that's the first one. Spirit, give me 2 more cards for the collective, for the people. What energy you want to send out, Naked? Heart Tarot. Nine of Pentacles. And one more card for the collective consciousness. Thank you, Spirit, for the people. What do you want them to know? I'll just take the top card. Nine of Swords. Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, remember y'all, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this channel. This is my review and unboxing of the Naked Heart Tarot. Let me know what you think, guys. Leave a message in the comments below. Bye.